I've had a lot of people ask me why handmade clothes cost so much. So instead of giving you just a number, I thought we'd calculate this jacket together and see what it actually costs to make.
Hi, I'm Ruby, a self-taught fashion designer, learning as I go. Welcome back to my channel, Let's Build the Brand.
If you've been following this project, you'll know that we started with a 100% wool thrifted blazer and we transformed it into this. And with a goal to make this piece 1,000 rand kind of piece. Let's start with the easy part, materials. The blazer, I got it at my local thrift store for 110 rand. The beads, I also snagged them at the same thrift store for a good 50 rand. And for transport, I used 20 rand. I like to put my transport into the materials because it's part of making the piece. And that brings our materials to a total cost of 180 rand. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Most people stop here, but this isn't actually how much it costs to make such a jacket. Now we have to add up everything that you don't normally think of as the customer. And these are our overheads, which includes electricity, machine maintenance, needles wearing out, thread, equipment, and research, because we're using the internet and we're using our phones, so that all goes into the price. And my overheads come to an estimated total of 55 rand. Now we're going to calculate what actually goes into making the piece, and this is the labor. Sketching this piece did not take me a long time. It took me 15 minutes tops. I just had an idea in my head and I just sketched it down, and this is how I do most of my designs. I don't sit down and fully make a whole design sketch most of the times. I just have an idea, jot down my idea, and then work from there. Shopping for the materials, that took me about an hour because this was divided into 2 days. Planning to make the piece took about 40 minutes, and this was where I was trying to figure out how I am going to bring my idea to life. How am I going to attach these beads to this blazer? How long do I want the blazer to be? Which fit is flattering? And all that good stuff. And then we get to the sewing part, and with this project I didn't have a lot of sewing to do. I only had to crop the blazer, and in a very good way that looks like nothing ever happened. And the cropping process took 1 hour 20 minutes to complete, including the hand stitching. I'm so proud of myself. I was very fast. And then we get to the hand sewing of the beads onto the jacket. This took the most amount of time. Can you guys guess how long it took me to attach all these beads? I'll give you a minute to think. It took me 3 hours 10 minutes to attach all the beads on this jacket. And yes, I did take some breaks in between, and I made sure to put my timer on and off every time I finished working on this project so that I was accurate. I am actually pretty proud. Like, that is not so long. I had expected it to take me about like 6 hours to do the beading, but I cut it in half. And before I knew it, I had spent 6 hours 25 minutes working on this jacket. And to calculate our labor, I value myself at 180 rand an hour, and that brings my labor to a total of 1,155 rand. Now, one thing that's really hard to put a price on is experience. This jacket took me about 6 hours to make, but it also took me years to learn how to do this. And luckily for this project, I didn't need to make a sample, and everything worked out at first try. Yes, please clap hands for me. Thank you. But I did spend a lot of time doing research on how I wanted to put these beads onto the jacket so that they last longer and they also move in a very natural, beautiful way. After covering the cost of materials, times, and expenses, I also need to leave room for profit so that my business can continue to create new pieces, and my profit margin is 50%. So let's calculate all of that and get our final price that we've all been waiting for. And that brings us to a total of, drumroll please, 2,085 rand. I originally thought that I wasn't even gonna make this jacket up to be 1,000 rand, but after adding up all the material, the cost, the time it took to make this piece, it actually came up to be higher than the expected price. And would you pay 2,000 rand for this jacket? I would genuinely love to know. And next time you see a handmade piece, I hope you see more than just the final product. Every piece represents hours of work, a lot of tiny decisions to make, and lots of practice that most people never really get to see. If you haven't seen how I transformed this blazer into this beautiful beaded jacket, you can check out this video next.